My name is Karen Barnes. I work for Old Dominion University Fire Prevention Office under Public Safety. I've been teaching CPR for 25 years. Today, we're going to learn about hands-only CPR. Remember, this is just a basic introduction. This is not a certified class. First, you want to make sure that the area is clear. It's safe for you to go over to the person. You see him laying on the ground. You're going to approach him. Hey, are you okay? Are you okay? As soon as you realize he's unresponsive, either you call 911 and go get the AED, or you see someone else. You, in the gray shirt, call 911 and go get the AED. Now I'm going to position myself above the person who is an adult. I'm going to take the heel of my hand and place it in the middle of the chest, placing the other hand on top. My arms are straight, and I'm going to press down 2 inches, slow and steady. And after 2 minutes, you're going to check to see if he's still unresponsive. If someone else is here, they'll take over doing the chest compressions for you. Once the AED arrives, then you would place the AED once you're trained on the patient. AED is an automatic external defibrillator. It will send an electrical shock through the heart and hopefully will restart the heart to make it start beating properly again. But you do need to be trained to do all of this. So remember, when you're put into a situation and you find somebody unresponsive, don't just walk away. If you see something, be that person to step up and help somebody. So call 911 and get help for that person.